I can kill you, right? Chey, why'd you kill me? You won't let me, like...
I look like Among Us with balloons. Devil's on you when I'm off.
Cheyenne,
I'm dying.
Okay, I heard you.
Cheyenne.
Oh, right, too.
We're so rusty at this.
I'm Ben.
Please do not run out of barrels and kill us all.
Chet.
That was me.
What the f?
No calling it sick of me.
Dab. You're fine. This is never him. Yeah.
We're playing Boxhead Wars.
Let's play.
Wait, I gotta record.
I'm picking my man.
You can't pick your man yet. It gotta be all recorded.
No, it doesn't. I already picked my man.
No.
I'm not that man.
You want some lemon heads?
No. Why don't I get to pick my man?
You get to pick your man. I don't want to play with you no more.
Me neither.
I should wear my regular
You're not
glasses.
supposed to do that.
Why not?
You're supposed to use your cloth.
Why?
Because they say so. Scratches up your lenses. What are you doing?
Recording the screen. My goodness, you're so impatient. I'm about to retire you.
I am the show. It's not centered.
I know it's not centered, Cheyenne. BCFAM.
Is this going?
Yeah, it's been going.
Oh.
Are you gonna say hello?
No, I'm busy. 1 second.
This might not even make it on the play channel.
That's fine. You should cut all this out. Be being mean.
You are mean.
No, I'm not.
She's been mean to me. She said I didn't understand her.
No, I didn't even say that. You stopped lying.
I look like an Among Us with balloon. I look like Among Us with balloon.
Okay, I heard you.
Want a lemon head?
No.
Why'd you have to wash clothes now? Yeah, pick your character. Wait, you want to tell them what we're playing? We're playing Boxhead Wars. And for those who don't know, we used to play this game all the time. Cheyenne. Oh my, Cheyenne.
Chet, why'd you do that? I
No
gotta
big
start
deal.
over.
It's fine. We were just recording nonsense anyway. We just recorded the screen until you chose your character. I don't want to be Bambo.
I'm Ben.
Should I be Bert? I think I was. I was about to say I didn't want to correct you, but I think I was Bambo. We gotta pick a level, Shy.
I don't even remember how to play this game.
Okay, wait. Let's put it on. You want to start off easy?
Yes. I don't remember how to play.
I gave you the same keys from a childhood. You're lucky I remember.
Shooting everything.
Devil's on, you want them off. You want to be a little.
Excuse me.
That's healthy. Did you hear me?
Don't we usually have them on?
Yeah. But you're talking about beginner. And
I'm
playing
scared.
Normal speed or fast?
Normal. Why are you guys doing fast? She said.
Friendly fire. Cause you always kill me. Yeah. Put that on. You go with your keys?
Yeah.
Alright, which map you want? Lemon head hurts. Big box is probably easy right now because open, you can run around.
Okay. I mean, I'm fine with whatever. Not the maze one, though.
You ready? This was the original zombies. They don't know about this.
Who am I?
You're right there.
I can kill you, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, see?
Oh, God. Chey, why'd you kill me?
Because you're throwing my life.
I don't come back. How many lives do I get?
Unlimited. We just can't die at the same time. Cheyenne.
I don't have another gun. Oh, right, because you killed me and I had to die.
Grab a box.
Oh, God, the devil. Oh, shit.
Cheyenne. Why are there so
Yes, I
many?
got the ooze.
Subscribe now.
Wait, I forgot. If I upgrade a gun, do you also get that upgrade?
No.
Oh, we have to upgrade the same. Okay.
Oh, God. I'm dead. Chey, I'm dead.
Cheyenne, how
I'm
you
dead.
dying?
I'm dead.
Oh, because we gotta stay. Hey. Oh, we got walls.
I'm just building myself.
Throw your grenades. Because we can get the clusters. How'd you already get cluster grenades? Were you throwing grenades?
No.
That's why you died, probably.
I wasn't throwing grenades.
Oh, wait, save one. Remember, we gotta do our traps. Cheyenne.
Oh, right, save one. Sorry. Get out. I can't see. Where are you going? I can't see.
Where you going? Where you going?
Who am I? Oh, I thought I was you.
Please do not kill us both.
Why did I keep, like, following you?
Are you following me on purpose?
No, my man's moving on his own. Why is he moving on his own?
You're still moving on your own?
Yeah, watch. I let go and he just keeps moving. Look. He won't let me, like...
Can you turn and stuff?
I'm not... Look, watch.
This is so
Look at this.
scuffed.
It's fine. Oh, God, he's trying...
Is it because we did this? Is it better now?
No, but it's okay. I'm still moving. Just... I don't know.
Alright, well this is the beginning. Come on, let's grenade up and stuff. Why'd you build those walls over there?
You did.
That was you.
Oh, it was...
We're so rusty at this. Please do not run out of barrels and kill us all. Shot, they also come from these sides.
They do?
Yeah.
Since when? Oh shit, I almost blew it up.
Do not blow it up.
Chet!
that was me.
What the fuck,
I killed
Chet?
yeah, that was me. That was me. Shy. Hold on, let me get my stuff.
Just kill him. Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah.
No come le sigue a mí.
Dab. You're fine. This is devil, kill him!
Shoot him.
Can you see him? Can you see him? Kill him, Chet! Kill him, Chet!
Oh, I accidentally.
The devil coming out.
Oh, it's coming this way too. He's coming this way.
Oh my god, Chet, kill him! Kill him, can you see him?
Do you have control of your keys?
Yeah.
Oh, he hit me. I'm good.
I
You good?
think I shot you.
I thought it was the devil. Stop shooting me. Grenade up. Kill him. Oh no.
Move,
no.
Chet, move, Chet.
Oh, shot, watch out.
Chet.
Watch out. You're gonna die.
Oh, Chet, watch out.
Crap. We can't go too far away. Okay. We gotta get our shotgun on, remember? Because it turns into a railgun, I think, right?
Chet.
Did I shoot you?
Yes,
Oh,
bro.
my fault.
Remember when I used to try to paint the ground?
Yeah, you're messed up. Oh, we got mine, Shy.
You were messed up.
Do we have charges yet? Remember when we set elaborate traps? We're OG
Very violent
gamers.
game.
Yeah, why were we playing this at like how old?
It's double Chet.
Chet,
Chet's the devil.
watch out,
Chet.
I
Chet's the
got
devil.
you covered. We're good.
Chet's another devil.
Use your shotty on him. I got you covered this way. Oh, we got rockets
I
too.
really forgot, like, how much this game is.
I know.
Oh, Chet's the devil.
My fault. Oh, I thought
I
it was
can't
me.
see him.
We're good.
Are we on a new level yet?
Are there really levels to this? I think it's just, you see our kill counter? That's how many zombies
If I
we
step
killed
on the
already.
mine, it goes off too, right?
I can't remember. Let's try it.
No, don't kill it. We have a lot of
Subscribe
Shoot
now.
devils.
Keep going this way. Keep going up. Yeah, you got it.
Me with the shotgun.
All right, wait for him.
Back up, Chet, back up.
All right, go ahead. Yep, good job. I think the only way we were gonna die if we kill ourselves by accident, to be honest. There's too much space, you know?
Level 14.
We gotta get our charges up too, Shy.
Oh shit, I dropped a grenade. Back up, Chet, back up. I don't know why I did that. Oh, Chet.
That scared me, actually.
Chet, watch him.
Rocking him.
I can't. Ah!
Go
Chet.
up. Oh no, I can't move. I'm
Chet,
stuck now.
Chet. Oh,
Did you kill yourself?
I just
Shy,
killed
yeah.
myself. I just
Oh,
killed
we're
myself.
done. We're gypped.
No,
Oh,
you got it, Chet, you got it.
Oh no. Shy, get
I
out
got
of there.
it.
Sacrifice.
I got it.
Get out.
Sacrifice. I can't.
Sacrifice
I'm
yourself.
trying. I'm trying. I can't believe I killed myself.
Grenade.
Oh, I got the shotgun.
Watch out, Shy. I said
It's
grenade.
okay.
Remember, you can hold him down and throw him farther.
He's
just like, what's going
is
on?
happening?
I'm glad we don't have epilepsy on the serious note. I cannot see. Oh, there's a grenade there. Alright, save that. I think we actually have to start doing some traps. Go up there first?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do some traps. Barrels first.
It's
Please
mines.
do not run out.
Do you have mines first? I have
No,
mines.
because is it mines? I thought it was barrels,
Oh, and
mines,
then mines. Yeah,
walls,
yeah.
charges.
Okay.
Alright, I'll lead this guy away.
Oh, shit.
Oh my goodness, he's gonna die.
No, he's not.
You're so lucky. Let's trap him.
Oh, I laid a mine.
Oh my. Well, might as well just do it your way then.
No, it's okay. I can just use it.
There, he's trapped. But the mine's gonna blow up the barrel though.
Maybe not.
Shot. This is bad.
No, just trust me.
We only have 20 walls still. Oh, my fault. I don't know if I messed that up. Did I mess that up? What are you doing?
I'm just
Are you
setting
doing
up.
mine barrels?
No, I don't know what I'm doing. Just setting shit up. Just setting it up. I'm just trying to kill a lot of
I'm so tempted just to.
No, Chet.
We need to get a railgun. Once we get the railgun, we're pretty much set. Oh, we gotta get unlimited ammo first.
Hold on.
We only have 20 walls. What is this nonsense?
Come on, Chet. How you run out of walls?
We only have 20. This is dumb. Alright, then let's. Oh, come on, come down. Why are you texting
Give
somebody
me a
right
sec.
now?
I gotta respond real quick.
Okay. Can you put a wall here when you get the chance, please?
Yeah, then I gotta respond.
Respawn. This is such an unprofessional. It used to be so much faster at this. Should we title this Brother and Sister Play Boxhead Wars? They're so abusive.
We gotta kill him now.
Yeah,
This is a very dangerous thing. We might die.
Kill him like a G.
I guess we gotta stand over here. This is the only side.
We didn't even. Why didn't we cover this side?
Oh, God.
See, I told you your chat was nonsense. This is nonsense. Come on, chat. Come this way. They're already coming through.
It's the devil. It's the devil. Check it out. I keep switching the guns by accident.
Shoot him! We gotta get unlimited ammo shot. Once we get unlimited, we're straight. We're straight.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna
just
lie.
get him sideways.
Shit. Okay.
The devil. Get him, Chet.
I played this game like a month ago by myself. I'm like, this game's so fun.
I got you back.
I only played
I got
beginner.
him. Watch out, Chet. Oh, Chet, watch out. Chet, I killed you. I
Oh,
said
how did you
watch
kill me?
out.
One
I said
shot.
I said watch out.
My goodness, just stay alive. I'll be
Trigger
good.
happy.
I'll be good. All right, let me get my stuff up.
Oh, sorry, take you out.
Yeah, that's fine. You don't need it, but whatever.
Watch out, Chet, watch out. Yeah, fuck you.
See, that was a good trap. You wanna set more, or you wanna? We don't have enough
No.
walls to set more. All right, watch out. Okay, they coming. All right, watch this. Stay back. Shoot the other way with your rocket.
I just pictured me killing you by accident. Did you kill me?
No, you killed yourself. I know. Here, come.
Why? Because I was too close?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know. I didn't know you could do that. Rocket, watch out.
Oh my
I can
goodness.
do this. The devil's coming.
From where? Left side?
Left.
That's right.
I know, man. It's right there. He's right there.
Why are we running away from this?
Oh. I would just keep using the shotgun. I don't know how to use anything else.
I still have charges. Here, stay there. Wait, hold on. I still got charges. That did nothing. Oh, we got the railgun
I got
shot.
the grenades.
We got the railgun. Hold on. We gotta use this. This garbage right now. Oh, we got Big Bang Rocket. Watch, kill him one shot. Oh. Alright, they take like 2-3 shots.
We
Watch
gotta set up
this.
some traps.
Please do not kill me.
I almost killed you.
Chey Chet, I'm gonna.
Oh, get him!
Yeah, he's gonna die from that. He's gonna die from this.
Oh, God.
Keep running out. Okay, hold on.
I'm sorry.
We got more charges. How effective is this? Ready? Watch this. Oh, that's pretty effective. Shot, there's 2 devils. I don't have anything.
I got it. There's 3.
I don't have any weapons.
I got you. Watch out.
Oh, yeah, I got an Uzi. No, you got the Uzi. I don't have a weapon.
Why don't you have weapons?
I just have a rocket
Get
launcher.
some weapons.
I keep getting fake walls and rocket launchers.
Well, maybe he's trying to tell you need to do something.
You've been killing me.
You step your game up. Oh, shit. Oh, my gosh. Get out there, Chet. Watch out, I got you. Don't shoot me, Chet.
I'll fall.
I'm holding it down, Chet. Come back.
Don't shoot me, Chet. And then you keep killing me.
Chet, go ahead, get the.
We gotta get the railgun up. Once we get the railgun up, we're straight.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm really crying right now.
All I have is mines because you keep killing me.
Watch out. Chet.
That's what you get. I don't even feel bad for you. That's what you deserve.
I didn't.
Here, I'll save one because I'm a good brother.
I didn't mean to kill you.
Here, trap these guys. Hold on, let's trap them.
All I got is fake walls. I didn't even mean to kill you.
Let me set the traps, please. Chey Chet.
I keep getting my keys confused.
It's costing us the game. Just don't even go to previous weapon. Just go shoot and next weapon. Don't use previous weapon. Please, you keep killing me.
I don't mean to.
Chey, why are you just sending mines everywhere? We have to have somewhere to stand.
Yeah, don't worry, look, we have a little protection over on this end. We're just gonna bring them to the corner.
Rocket time.
Nice. You're really coming out of here. You're really showing out, y'all.
Mic check, 1, 3, 2, 4. Yeah, I guess it's a strange order. I shoot my shot, then I walk off. Kobe, you know that's game over. I gotta stay focused on what the brain, so I came over. She came soaking, she said I can't stay up.
Shot. My fault. Oh, I killed you. You're getting stuck. I don't feel bad.
Anything. Chet, please stay alive.
Oh,
sorry.
I got you.
Chet, get out. Chet, get out.
I don't know. New barrels on
Chet.
You stuck?
Kill me.
You stuck?
Yeah, Chet, just kill me, bro. Maybe I'll live.
You're not really.
Okay, just I don't have it.
Arms of an angel.
Oh my
That was always the option.
I almost killed you.
Stop almost killing me.
I don't mean to.
I honestly don't see us dying. Why do you keep leaving a whole section open?
So they can get in there and then more will come.
But Chey, how are they gonna get in there without blowing it up? Because they had to blow up the other one, right?
I don't know.
So that was zombie?
That was. It's coming. Is that it?
I think so.
I'm alive, Chet, I'm like way in there.
I got you guys.
Oh, I'm dead. It's okay. Get all the boxes.
Watch out for that.
Watch out for me. Oh no, you can't, because I don't got my special. I can't have my shotgun, bro. This is unfair.
Someone have it?
Here's down. I'll try to kill. They killed me. They beat me up.
I might have killed you. Wait, did they beat you up?
They beat me up, Chet. I was too far in the paint. Watch out, Chet.
You're good.
I'm sorry. Now you got 4 apples on you, bro.
Yeah, man. I missed all of them. I just saw you. I got finally one.
I just got murdered by all of them. They want to give me some grenades talking about this is compensation.
Watch, look, I'm gonna troll them. Cheyenne.
Why did I die again?
Look, I can pistol with this devil.
I got a rocket.
Get this box.
Oh, okay, I guess you needed it. Hold on. Watch out, I got it.
You're gonna just see a bunch of flashes.
Can't stop me. I'm gonna kill you.
I'm dead. Chey, you keep.
Oh, you messed up.
You'll respawn. You're good.
I had a shotgun. Well, I don't know how to blow it up.
In my mind,
So rude.
in my mind, you wouldn't have died. You would have built different. You go ahead, shoot me. I guarantee you I won't die right now.
I got shot. I'm really close to dying, but I got shot. Chet, get out. Chet.
That was embarrassing.
Chet, it was either that or we
What?
both died.
Good night, everyone.
Okay, Chet. Chet, Chet, I'm upset.
Let's play another map.
$30,000 to the neck.
Yeah, it's cool. I'm just building this wall by myself like Trump.
Chet!
I don't see you putting in no work. You're just sitting there in the corner like a little bitch. I don't want to put too many mines because I feel like we're gonna get blown up. You know?
Yeah, Chet, come on. Kill the people. Let's get this over.
Chey, your trap setting is not on Home Alone status.
Yeah, that maybe it was not good. I said it.
Wow. Can we at least put some barrels up here first, please? My goodness.
I was about to throw a grenade.
Don't throw a grenade. You're gonna kill us all. Destroy us all. Surrounded by walls. Good job.
Are you being sarcastic?
No, I'm being serious. Do some work.
Yeah, we violent, we just don't initiate.
Hey BC fam, thanks so much for tuning in to today's video. If you like what we're doing, go ahead and click over here for more bashful content. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click down below to subscribe to our channel.
Perfect.
Perfect!
I'm amazed.